Peace divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. And today I wanted to make a lovely juice recipe. I had to improvise today, okay? And my son, he brought one grapefruit, but I needed another grapefruit, so I had to improvise. And so in this recipe I changed it a little bit. I added cucumber and I even added some apple. I'm also using some mint as well. I'm using some juicy, lovely grapefruit. The star of the show is the watercress, okay? The watercress is a lovely, 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 lovely green, as you can see, but be sure to cut the watercress up, okay? Because it is very long and you have to cut it up, so be sure to do that. But I will put all the tips in the description, okay? And as always, I'm using the Huram H320 juicer, and that information will always be in the description of my juicing videos. I'm going to put the grapefruit in first, put some apples in, and then I'm going to take some of the watercress and I'm going to put it in between the ingredients so that it will go through very nicely in the machine. I'm going to add the cucumber and the apple. I'm just drinking some chlorophyll water. That's what's in this nice big lovely glass cup. Some lovely chlorophyll water, and we are going to go ahead and we're going to juice this juice up, this lovely watercress juice. Alright, and so we are done, and I see a lovely green juice here, and I'm thinking it's about 25 ounces, so let us see. You may want to go ahead and strain this. It is up to you. There's no judgment here. Whatever you want to do, that's best for you. We are going to go ahead and try this lovely, looks like a light, like a lime green watercress, apple, and cucumber and mint juice, okay? And grapefruit. Oh my goodness, this is good. If you were a first-time juicer, you would like this juice. Even though I improvise, I love it. The more that I juice, the more that I'm able to be playful, and you will notice that the more that you start juicing, you will be able to be more and more playful. So lean into that and enjoy that and trust yourself. I love juicing, and this juice, yeah, this is good. I could taste the grapefruit right away. It was a nice big juicy grapefruit. My son picked a good grapefruit, and the watercress is it's lovely, and I think I taste a little bit of mint. The apple gives it sweetness, and the cucumber gives it more water content, more hydration. You can add ginger to this if you want to. That would be fun as well, but I will put all the tips in the description. Well, as always, I love and I miss my divines always, and I want you all to be well, and I want you all to continue to be blessed, be true to yourself.